Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up the Java home and path variable for Java. First, we are going to set up the Java home variable. Java home points where the Java JDK is located on your system. Assuming you have already installed Java JDK, we will set up the Java home for it. If you don't have Java JDK, check the link in the video description for detailed instructions on how to install them. To start, go to the Windows search box and type env. When you see edit system environment variables, just click to open it. Once you have done that, a window called System Properties will pop up. Simply click the Environment Variables button. In the Environment Variables window, there are two sections. One is for user variables, which is specific to each user, and other one is for system variables, which applies to all users. Hit the new button. Here, you will need to write Java home as a variable name and your Java JDK path as the variable value. The example in my case, this is the path. Once you have done, click OK. Now Java home will be added to the list of system variables. Now you need to set the path variable. When you use the command line or terminal window, the path variable tells your operating system where to find the right programs like Java, Java compiler, Java, W, etc. Search for the path variable and double click it. In this window, click the new button, type percentage java underscore home percentage slash bin. And click OK. The bin folder has all the program files, that is exe, and libraries, that is DLL. Click OK again to close the system environment variables window. That's it. You have successfully set the Java home and path for Java. To check this, open command prompt and type echo space percentage java underscore home percentage. Then press enter. You should see the Java home path you set. Also type echo space percentage path percentage. You should see the full path including the bin folder. This is the path you have set. That's all. Thank you. Thanks for watching.